We are making history. Everything started from zero, from the bottom to the top. At times, as a small ripple becomes a big wave, ZeroSports has achieved great advances and success. As we enter 2002, a brand new challenge begins for ZeroSports. Our aim is to always create cars that are exciting from the very first moment you grip the wheel, and we've been striving to achieve this. We learn the characteristics of Subaru cars by driving them and thoroughly analyze potential problems that may occur during driving. We repeatedly conducted trial and error tests on the streets and race circuits, and as a result have produced various original parts. Our spirit of challenge and ability to fundamentally change the tuning concept enables us to obtain the maximum result, the supreme satisfaction of our customers. We never compromise. We know every characteristic of Subaru cars and continue to conduct R&D to further improve car performance to the optimum level. In addition, we've started research on electric vehicles that will become mainstream products in the future, and have developed an electric vehicle concept that features a maximum speed of 276.6 kilometers an hour. We'll keep striving to realize our next dream, to produce cars of the future.
エンジンの吹けがすごい気持ちよかった。
車がね、本当とんがったところがなくって、すっごいトータルバランスが良かったですよね。
Takashi Oi, racing driver, champion in many categories of races. He's active not only as a racing driver, but as a motor journalist. Eiji Yamada is the first man to break the minute barrier at the Tsukuba circuit in 2001, driving a ZeroSports Impreza. He's reputed to be the best customized car driver in Japan. These two professional drivers drove cars tuned by ZeroSports to experience their attractive features and opened a new page in the customized Bible. In order to fully utilize the added cooling parts, it's important to efficiently catch intake draft. We successfully enabled the high-powered engine to produce stable performance through various cooling items. ZeroSports made it possible for the fins of the cool-action main body to generate drop-down air and efficiently supply cool air to the whole of the intercooler core. This draws the primary intercooler up to maximum performance. The cool radiator efficiently supplies the intake draft to the radiator core by funneling the clearances around the radiator. This considerably increases the cooling effect, enabling the temperature of the water in the radiator to be lowered by about another 5 degrees.
エアクリーナーむき出しにしてる効果がすごい大きいっていうのね。なんか吸入効率がなんか5倍だとか言って。
そうですよね。
でもあれってやばくないのかなって、そのゴミの問題とか。
一般的にはね、あれクリーナー変えたらなんかパワーが上がるってイメージあるじゃないですか。もうあれだけ変えただけでなんか何馬力が上がるみたいなね。でも変えりゃいいって問題じゃないですよね。
The air cleaner developed by ZeroSports increases not only the intake volume, but also the intake speed to achieve quick engine response. After repeatedly conducting tests, the optimal shape of the air cleaner was determined to achieve the best dust collection, another critical function of the air cleaner. ZeroSports succeeded in reducing the load of the airflow meter and engine by adopting a special dry paper system. The corrugated section of the intake pipe has been made straight to reduce the intake resistance and increase the intake speed, leading to a drastic improvement in engine response. The intake area has been enlarged from the conventional 820 to 850 square centimeters to considerably increase the intake volume. The super direct flow system was designed for total balance so that the intake speed is increased and maintenance is easy, while the dust collection ability is maintained by employing a special stainless steel mesh filter. In addition, the excellent design at the top of the filter evenly distributes air in the cleaner so contact with the airflow meter is correct. ZeroSports Special Exhaust System. Overturning the conventional idea that manifolds with the same length pipes are good, exhaust air is successfully collected in order from cylinders number 1, 3, 2 and 4 and expelled in a spiral manner, an idea unique to ZeroSports. Remarkably, this increases the exhaust flow speed, achieving low speed torque, quick response in all areas and high-end revolutions per minute. The exhaust flow speed increased by the original exhaust manifold is further increased by a ventilator with turbine support with inner diameters of 60, 50 and 60 millimeters. This structure drastically improves the turbine response. Superb response is obtained due to the original N1 elliptical outlet structure. The super metal front pipe and the high efficiency metal catalyst are great items that feature a notably high catalytic effect and can obtain an exhaust efficiency very close to that of a straight pipe. The internal structure of the silencer is straight with an inlet pipe diameter of 70 millimeters and an outlet diameter of 101.6 millimeters. In addition, a spiral fin is attached to increase the exhaust flow speed and engine response. Moreover, the shape inside the silencer is tapered to produce a comfortable sound. Total balance is a must for cars with customized parts. Do you know why ZeroSports focuses on fully customized ECU for each car? It's to draw out the performance of each part almost instantaneously by monitoring various driving conditions, including the air cleaner intake efficiency, muffler efficiency, and boost pressure.
車の挙動がね、そんなに乱れないんで、すごいなんかこう普通に乗れちゃう。だからそれってやっぱりこう、すごくいいことなんですよね、やっぱりね。いろんなね、サスペンション世の中にもいっぱいあるし、スタビもあると思うんだけど、やっぱりこういうふうにやっぱりこうアンダーとオーバー基本的にはもうその2つしかないっていうか、そのバランスがね非常にやっぱり取れてるし、あとロールやっぱりロール感もやっぱり必要だし、うまくやっぱり前後コントロールしてて。
Taking total balance into consideration, the ZeroSports suspension is exclusively designed by repeating tests so the most appropriate workload is given to the shock absorber, spring and stabilizer. This design produces quick and flexible driving performance. A hollow design employing cold-drawn steel pipe reduced the weight of the ZeroSports high-quality stabilizer to 2/3 that of a normal stabilizer. It minimizes the rolling amount and rolling speed, maintaining amazing controllability. The originally designed PG strap tower bar by ZeroSports is a highly rigid aluminium hollow rod with a rib structure. This structure eliminates deflection of the car body, ensuring crisp handling without any